Hello, I'm in a 2012 GMC Terrain, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, make sure your vehicle is turned on, which this is, so your display's lit up. And then from here, we'll go to Settings. So Configuration. And then this will be our Select button. So we'll scroll down to Phone, and then Select, and then under Bluetooth, Select. And there's a limited number of devices you can have stored, so you might need to delete one first to make room, which there's currently enough room here. So we'll go back, and then we'll do Pair New Device. So we're adding a phone.
Please start a search on your Bluetooth phone.
So make sure your Bluetooth is on, which is that symbol, and often if you
Once
press
the
and
search
hold,
is complete, select
Pair.
your vehicle on your phone and then enter the code 2652. Again, the code is 2652.
So your vehicle, as it said, and then it has here that same code 2652, and you can link up your contacts and things if you want, make it easier for taking calls. 2652. So now OK.
Please say the name tag you want to give this phone.
Clay's phone. Clay's phone.
Choose another name tag. That sounds too much like list. Please try again.
The best phone.
About to store.
The best phone.
Does that sound okay?
Yes. The best phone.
Has been successfully paired. Returning to the main menu. Ready?
That's it. Still in voice
There is
syncing.
currently no active route. Returning to the main menu. Ready?
You can get on hands-free calling with
Thank
these.
you. Goodbye.
But anyways, now we're connected. So now you can sync up calls, things like that, take messages. Newer models, you can sync up maps and things like that as well. You might be able to play music in this model as well, which you check through your source. So we'll turn the radio on here, volumes here, and then you click through your sources. And if your Bluetooth is capable from your phone in this, we would have seen it pop up by now. You can also check under this source. Sometimes you can check under aux as well. So it doesn't appear that this model lets you play music from your phone. Some models might, especially as you get newer. But yeah, you just have to double check to see for your particular trim, make, and model. And if you do think it's compatible, do make sure it's playing music or something from your phone, and that the volume's on your phone, and that the volume is on your vehicle as well. But I hope all this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.